Star Friend. Make me complete again so that I may rule the universe.
Sorry, I hate to rain on your parade, but it would be far too dangerous to let you have this back. I was serious when I said that I won't let you have it. And just to make sure I don't go back on my word, I'll just do what you do. Ow. What the heck?
Can he do that? He's choking!
Kakarot! Don't be a fool, Kakarot! Spit it out! Don't worry. You could have been killed, moron!
That was a foolish place to put the Dragon Ball. Now I'll have to rip your head off to get it.
That ball's not going anywhere. It's gonna stay right inside his body.